All right, welcome to my channel. So the first thing that you need to know before you start watching my videos is the purpose of this channel is for education and entertainment, mostly education with some entertainment, and mostly for my students. Really, it's an opportunity for me to showcase my algorithm and for my students to see it working and me to be able to talk about the trades and why I'm taking the trades and things like that. This is not a channel where I'll be showing you that I'm making millions of dollars. So family rules, you won't be seeing that. Some traders out there want to put their stuff out. I don't even know why they do that. Like on social media in a public sphere, hey, look at me, I made 20,000 today, 50,000 today, all that stuff. That will not happen on this channel. The most you'll see me making here is anywhere from 50 bucks to $1,000 in a day would be the most once we get to that level of scaling. And then I'll reset and we'll be looking at 50 bucks and we'll be scaling back to, a thousand a day or so. And we'll just keep resetting that scaling. But family rules will not be showing you on this my social media that I'm making tons of money. Second thing is I'm trading with Thinkorswim. That's my platform that you see here on the screen. So you got my two windows on futures trading. Same thing, it'll be Thinkorswim. So you'll see that I trade futures and the equities market with these videos. I trade based off of my algorithm, the simple switch algorithm, and it's got different settings. Same algo, but different settings for futures market, for equities market, and different types of trading. It's got different settings for it. So I'll be trading off of that. Links below if you're interested in learning more about the algo. All the education over there is free, as well as the trading log that you'll see. You can get the link below, which will give you that log, so you can go over there and explore all that stuff. So when you're looking at my screen, okay, now when you're looking at my screen, you'll see these the chart markups, and you'll see yellow. Wherever I put yellow is an entry. So when it's yellow like this, it's the algo ideal entry. And then you may see a yellow like this, and that is where I actually got in, and it'll be touching the candle that I got in on. And then the location. Red are my stops, green are my targets. And then if you want to learn how the algo works so you can better understand what I'm doing when I'm doing my trades, over at the link below, you can go over there and learn all about the algo. It's completely free for that whole education. It's free to learn about my trading plan, my strategy, everything that I teach about trading is free over there. Only thing that costs money is if you decided to buy the algo, then that would cost money. But you can apply a lot of the stuff that I teach over there, including my strategy and trading plan, to your own strategies and help maybe improve your game. So all that is definitely free. I don't charge for any of that education. Only the algo if that's something you decided to add to your list. So then sometimes you'll see on here me doing experiments, which I'm going to try to do another one later on this year when I get a little more time. But I love to do trading experiments. We blow up accounts, but we do it in the purpose of education, showing you that certain trading techniques or strategies sometimes just don't work. And we play with some different concepts and blow up accounts, real accounts, small accounts, but still real accounts. And you'll also see some small accounts as well, like when we do offshore brokers and things like that. So, and then of course, educational videos I'll be putting out as well. So there's a lot of different content here. So if you can give me the like, hit that like button, that would help me a lot with the YouTube. And if you subscribe and hit that bell icon, you can be notified whenever I upload new content. And the last thing, but probably the most important thing, is trading is very risky. Do not place a trade based on what you see here or whatever I say. I'm not telling you what to do. If it sounds like I'm telling you what to do, it's me just thinking out loud. And most traders will lose all of their money. I am strictly speculating. I do not have a crystal ball. So, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. So please do not take financial advice from me. This is strictly to talk about how I trade, to teach about how I do things, and for your entertainment. All right, so now the legal stuff is out of the way. Let's get into today's trades. All right, good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, actually. It's July 28th. It's already 11 o'clock. I'm a little late to the party, but we do have JD right here. Just getting ready to switch. So if JD wants to switch, we're going to trade it. We trade on the switchback, and then we speed bump it. And yeah, so we'll see what happens here. It looks like it wants to. We got about 3 minutes left. If it does, I'll bring the trade to you. All right, so we got about 30 seconds left before JD becomes a trade. So everything else in the portfolio is hit today except for JD and Nug. Unfortunately, I came late to the party, so I didn't get to trade them. But I'll show you what happened, or what would have happened over there based on the algorithm. In the meantime, we'll take this JD trade. The only thing is, we're getting ready to get to a high day area. this is a nice looking setup for an M pattern breakdown, right? So we could be jumping into an M pattern, but then we'll speed bump it. So 3, 2, 1, and we're in. All right, so we got our shares. It's about $1 move, so we got 100 shares since we're risking $100, and we do our risk reward by position sizing, not by where we put our stop. Our stop goes where it's supposed to go based on the algo, and our position sizing is how we determine our risk. So there we go, 100 shares, we're in. We'll mark it up, see what happens. All right, so there we are, traders. I got stopped out for a $5 profit. So we made it 90% of the way. As the rules state, move my stop to break even plus a couple bucks. And that's what we did. Got rejected. Looks like this might be selling off. So it doesn't look like NUG's going to sit up. So I think we're going to call it a day right there. And I'll show you the portfolio, and then we'll show you the log. All right, everybody. So it's 12 o'clock. So we're definitely done trading for today. NUG's the last one, and it's not setting up. So here's QCOM. Didn't trade it. Like I said, late to the party. But on our switch, we had our, it would have been a failed trade, speed bump, recovery. And if I trade the switch back, would have been a winner. So there's QCOM, no trade. But either way, it would have been 0 to a green day on QCOM probably. And then we got APPS. So APPS, we had our switch to the short side right here. And then speed bump. Because of clearly is a straight loser, which is good when it happens fast. You're not like sitting there all day wondering what's going on. Straight loser, speed bump, nice little recovery there. Could have been a green trade actually the way that thing recovered. So it would have been really good. And then NUG, we saw nothing going on there. Traded to the long side only with permission. We don't got permission, so no trade. And then CVS. We had a winner in CVS and we didn't trade it. So, if we were here earlier, we would have had that roller coaster ride on those other tickers. But CVS would have been a nice winner. Switching to the short side with permission, barely, but still there. That's not. That's pretty good. That's pretty clear permission. So right there, nice trade on CVS. And then the last one is JD. And then JD we did get to take, but unfortunately, 90% of the way. Put the stop in. That's the rules, and we got out with $5 instead of $100. So, all right, let's go check out the log and see if that was enough to get us a bar. Let's check it out. All right, here we are with the trade log. So JD got it in there. 100 shares, made $5. Man, risk $1 to make 5 cents. Not good, but that's how it goes. And then dashboard. I was hoping maybe this week, I could pull myself out and have a green week this week. And had I taken that CVS trade, that would have been another $100 on here. It's just we're in the $100 risk reward right now, so it's not gonna happen. I don't think. Looks like a red month coming. So that $5 was enough. All right, between yesterday's trades and that $5, we're in the $150 range now. So pretty sweet. So so we'll scale up tomorrow to $150, and maybe what do we got? 2 days left. Let's go look real quick. 2 days left. $150 scale up. So I'll check to see if we have any super premiums. I don't think we do. So, if I get 3 trades here, that's, 3, 4, maybe I get lucky and squeeze to 450 to 500. And then on this day, if we can get 3 or 4 trades, I guess it's possible. All right, traders. Hope you all had an awesome day. Sorry today wasn't very eventful, and we'll see you tomorrow.